picky. Walk the car, keep it put my booty cheek proud. I think my hard work, that little rain down, whatever though.
What's good, YouTube? We're back, another video. I'm in the garage. I got the I opened up this bay, so the shark nose is outside because I have all the carpet for the Targa here. And what I'm going to try to do today, at least start the process, is do the frunk. So just like the stock felt or Perlon or whatever it was that was in there, it's held in by fasteners. So you can see it over on this side here, little fasteners. So right there, and there's one up there. So I have to kind of see because it's missing some. I bought some replacement ones and also fender bolts for any other missing fender pieces, and have to see how that's gonna kind of line up here. So I'll lay it all out, see where we're at. These are the what is it? The fasteners here. Sierra Madre collection. So I got those here. I think I got like 6 or 8 of them. And then I think the pit. These are some fender bolts here. Got more there. So I'll just take these out. Yep, fender bolts. And yeah, hopefully I can get this thing somewhat adjusted in there. I did see that side does have glue on there, so I'll see how it looks without the glue. I still haven't bought the glue for the interior carpet yet, so if it needs the glue, I'll glue it later. But I just want to kind of get this thing mocked up, and I gotta make some adjustments because I have the red line strut brace in there as well. So let's get this show on the road, see where we're at. All right, Reaper, go, get out. Get out, you're just gonna get in the way. Should be 3 pieces. This, maybe. Middle and then side. And I think the battery will be left open, exposed. So I think this covers the fuse box. It's got some Velcro, I think, here. Does that stick? Okay, that sticks. So that's pretty much how that would go. Okay. You can adjust, I assume. This goes over the, what is it, the master cylinder thing, hinge. So I have to figure out these 2 mounting points here, of course, which I think I know where they would go. And then the rest. Pretty much these in there. Alright. So seems like it's pretty easy. So let's begin to mock this thing up, see where. So here you see the red line. So instead of like cutting a really big hole, I might just do a small, so I can take this off, move this pivot joint, it's kind of loose, move that off, and then make a hole and just kind of slide that through the hole there, and then I can continue to, you know, mat this down. But as you can see, I mean, it's very well fitted, you know, with this overlapping like that. I mean, that just looks super clean so far. This is just a rough fitting, but so far so good. I do like how this is placed there. I gotta put a button down here. So for that one, I gotta put a fastener down there. Do that, and yeah, it's gonna look really good. So I will take the center part out because don't need that yet. Then I would mock up the sides first. I'll put my bolts in, make my cuts, and should be good to go. So I'll show you guys how that looks. And there you have it. Trunk liner is in. It is looking pretty good. So this gives me a good idea of what the interior will look like with the lighter carpet. And yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I think, if I remember correctly, I don't know, maybe you guys can help me out in the comments. I think there's something that's supposed to cover that, the blower compartment there. So I think on that, there's bolts or fasteners for the existing buttons up top there. I didn't have it, so I didn't connect it, but I just pretty much like just tucked it back, and it's not going anywhere. It's not like I'm gonna be, you know, hauling all kinds of crazy stuff in here. But I got the other buttons fastened, cut a hole there, as you can see. Cut the hole here, put my strut brace through there, so that's looking nice and clean. This one didn't really need it, just kind of bunched up, but it's good because it keeps it loose and flexible. The fuse box cover here is good, and yeah, pretty much lays down very nicely. Tucks all the way in, all the way to the front, so can't see anything. So if I was to rate so far, you know, 9.5 out of 10. Nah, I'm joking. 10 out of 10. Quality is great. The feel is great. I don't need to glue that, which is great. It's not too stiff to where it's like very, like it doesn't like conform to anything. It lays down very easily, very softly. And yeah, it you know, matches up very well. Let's close the trunk or the frunk. Let's see how that is. So yeah, I'm gonna tuck this back in there. And then we'll open it to see if anything comes ajar. Can't see that being the case, but you never know. Boom. Yeah, Newark Auto, Newark, New Jersey. They hit it out the park with this. Link down in the description if you want to get even if you just want to get the front kit. Pricing is very great. Again, place the order, select your color, place the order. Make sure you know that you have the reservoir or not. That's going to change, you know, the layout and, you know, wherever they cut for the carpet. But Yeah, link down in the description below. Get you just the front kit if you just want the front kit, or you know, as I get closer, I want to have the entire car done. That's the rest of the carpet there. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride. It's gonna look really good. Let me know in the comments what you think. So you see the contrast there. So, you know, seeing it against the color, I think I did good with this selection of color. It's gonna look really nice. So until next time, I'm gonna start, you know, next video will be me tearing down, or yeah, pretty much taking apart the interior of this, laying everything out, seeing what kind of cleaning and all that stuff I'll have to do. I'll probably have everything kind of spread out here, and then I will lay out the new carpet against the old carpet and begin to reverse engineer this. So yeah. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Oh shit, hair's all over the place. But like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned, and we got a lot more coming for this. My 997 will be back, and a lot more to do with that. And yeah, keep being great. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.